And it looks like a bug, obviously. Let's see if we can pull on that. Yes, we can. Boom. The way you open it is just pull on that and rotate it all the way around. Boom. And you have right here a mini knife. It's pretty tight, so it won't close and open on you by mistake. And look at this gears rotating. Super cool, don't you think? And pretty sure it's magnet. Boom, locks too, and spin all the way around. Lock it. Here's another vintage shaving blade sharpener. So you grab it this way and then sharpen it. You see how it will rotate the sharpening stone, and whenever we want to sharpen it the other side, just flip it over and it will sharpen the other side of the blade. Pretty cool. And again, flip it over and it will sharpen it at the perfect angle. And once you're done, just lift it up and boom. Draft top, soda can opener. So lift this up a little bit, pop it in and twist it. Once it's open, let go and lift it up. One more time, lift it up, push it through, go full circle. When you feel it's open, lift it up. It's perfect, you have a cup. Check this out. So let's see, it's cost $6. It should spin it out. Let's see how it works. Let's do blue cloud or something. Okay. Okay, authorizing, let's see. Approved. Okay, it's working. Let's see how it works. That's pretty awesome. I hope that's not it. I hope it's gonna keep going. Alright, looks like it's gonna keep making me cotton candy. Alright, then it's gonna go into this window. Pretty cool. Sweet, check this out. We got cotton candy machine. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Got it here, pop the top bottle opener. So you put it like this and press it. Now we're going to do this on speed. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Got it here, very unique tea strainer. So you put your tea over here, then you get your tea, flip it to the side and pour it over. Kind of carefully, but you don't have to worry too much. It will hold the water pretty nicely and balance itself. Boom, as you can see, it's brewing really well. And once you're done, you see how it's dripping? It will catch all the drips. Got it here another vintage can opener, and this one with the adjustable blade. And then also you push it to the middle and we can unspin it more. And then just punch it too, and then just spin it, and look how easy that is. Boom. Wow. Here's very unique bottle opener. First of all, opens it really well, but in case you need to reseal big bottles, you just put it like that. Tip over test, no spill. Does it hold the fizz? Oh yeah. And now let's try to open it. Holds it really well. Got right here thermoelectric lantern. So you have right here candle, and we're gonna plug it in into here. There's legs. Once it heats up enough, it will produce enough electricity to light the lights up. Then there's on and off. There's a table lantern and a flashlight lantern this way, up and down. And once we pull off the flame, the thermoelectric generator is still warm, but once it's cool off, the light will turn off. Here's another Microtech knife, a Halo, that is quite rare. This one is semi-vintage. It was made in 2018. It's Halo. Look how big it is in my hand, and I have really big hands. The way you lock it back up. You push right here and push this button and pull. It is quite hard to pull, and you got right here the button number and everything. Microtech. I love Microtechs. One of a kind. Push. Boom. Got it here, Leatherman Crunch. This is probably the most unique multi-tool by Leatherman or any multi-tool brands. So check this out. This side here, little clamp pliers, and also super easy to adjust right here. And same thing, you can tighten it up and crunch it. And whenever you want to put that away, just lock it in. And then you have right here 5 other tools down here. And look how easy it is to unlock it and lock it. Boom. Got it here, another vintage pencil sharpener. Check out this blade, so cool. And also this is self-feeding. What you do is put the pencil through and it will push it towards the blades, and all you have to do is just sharpen it. Look at that. Makes it a really quick job out of it. Boom, and look at that sharpened pencil. Got it here, non-spill drinking cup. Lift it up really easily, but if you hit it with your elbow, no problem. It's a little suction cup design that is really easy to lift it up and down, but if you try to grab it to the side, you see it's kind of hard. So if you hit it with the elbow, with your arm, it won't fall. You just have to lift it up and down, and then it doesn't stick. Got it here, limited edition Soto stove. This one all black. It takes one of those cheaper butane cans. This is a heat deflector. And it comes with a starter. Easy to take it out and easy to fold it back up. Boom. Got it here, Next Level pen by Olight. First of all, you have right here a pen, and if you press and hold, you have the pointer over here, and if you press it and hold, turn it off, double click, you have a light, and then press and hold, change the mood, click short, and it will turn off. Very unique pen, that's for sure. Got it here, SOG Switch Pliers Multi-Tool. Just press it, it's assisted, and there's a locking mechanism right here too. You press it like this, boom. Little screwdriver right here, little cutters, and there's a few multi-tools in here. Pry bar, bottle opener, another screwdriver, and a little knife. I always look for unique multi-tools. This is definitely one of them.